when I lost.
Just want to really quickly say thank you for coming out tonight. It was super short notice, but a couple of us just really wanted to drive tonight. Bigger turbo. You see that? That's not stock, bro. That's badass. Respect, bro. I love it. Bro, we pulled up and I could hear him boosting and I'm like, I know he's gonna smoke me, but we were right. I mean, he beat me. There's no question. I lost, guys. Nah, it was like a neck and neck. Yeah, it's the valve. It has the valve cover leak.
I raced the turbocharged BMW.
Oh, bro.
This is gonna be the thumbnail. Turbocharged BMW.
Because like anybody above like 1,200, 1,300 horsepower, I can get them initially, and then they'll just they'll reel me back in. So like that's usually my problem now. So now I got to tune in and do a bunch of shit.
That's sick. What year is this?
21.
Wow. The humility.
That's wow, you're doing him dirty.
Shit.
Did him so dirty.
All right, guys. I'm a man enough to admit when I lost. Tonight I lost. This beautiful brand new Ducati smoked the Aventador, guys. You're gonna see it on the YouTube channel. This man right here. But you know what? We had a lot of fun. And you know, we can't win them all. And I damn sure lost bad tonight. But it's okay. It's gonna motivate me. We're gonna come back and we're gonna try it again and we might lose again. But it's a motivation.
Hey,
So, I appreciate it. I just love racing.
Nah, dude, motorcycles don't count. Cause look, those are like the V4s. Those aren't even regular ones.
See, I don't even know.
Yeah, you know.
That's
all over his eyes.
Sick lights.
Bro, I told him I like a lot of bikes I get. This thing smokes me.
Oh, bro, this thing is like overly fast.
Hey, I don't lose a lot of races, but I lost that one. All right, guys, we had a great time tonight. We raced some cars, we raced some bikes, we drove with some of our friends, did some cruising. It's almost midnight, gotta go home, go back and make some money tomorrow at work. so we can spend more money on content. We'll see you guys. We leave Thursday for Monterey. Are we taking the Aventador? Are we taking one of the other exotics? Stay tuned to see. We'll see you guys on Thursday. Later. Night.